Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Velar D240 Dynamic SE in Santorini Black. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in June 23. You have 20-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a sporty appearance. You also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And you've got plenty of space there in the boot, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round and towards the front, you have keyless entry, so I can press this button and it will lock the car, and the same to unlock it as long as the key is nearby. You have our dynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather and suede interior. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, and is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Heated front seats, definitely a luxury, especially in winter. Touchscreen with different functions, including valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You do also have controls on your wheel, including the speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. They're all really helpful for driving along the motorway. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian surround sound system. This car's done at 21,673 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.